Mendeecees takes son Mendeecees Jr. to his construction site where he's building million-dollar homes.
Yeah. They did my wall. Damn, look at my wall. Whew.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
So this a big ass. Look at my wall. It's the basement. Yeah. All this is the basement. Working today. This is what we call like chain building. When you just build houses right next to each other. I know they look like small and don't really look like much right now, but these are $2 million houses. So they're 2 million plus, so this probably like in sales, probably these 4 houses probably adds like 10 million in sales to an agent.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.